Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some chili stuffed with cornbread. Chili stuffed with cornbread topped off with cheese. Okay, how about that? That's a new twist on an old dish. Alright, love it, love it, love it. If you love it, put your thumb up, hit that I like button, please. Share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below if you care to support this channel in any way. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I just put a drop down there of olive oil in the frying pan. We're going to saute some onions. Let me introduce you to other things that we're going to be using. This is white beans, baked beans, and black beans. We're going to be cooking some hamburger in with the, oh, wait a minute. Let me fix that. There we go. When you clean the eyes, sometimes it doesn't sit right. Alright, so we're going to be adding the beans and the hamburger. I already baked the cornbread, so I'll show you what we're going to do with that. I have some chili sauce, some ketchup, some molasses, some cheddar cheese. Okay. Put some more oil on the top. I'm going to cover that. And I'll be back when the onions are brown. Oh, sorry. Okay, now that the onions are halfway done, and that was a cup of onions, by the way. I'm going to add the hamburger. This is a pound of hamburger that I added adobo, sassoon everything, and garlic to it. Okay? I'm going to add a little olive oil. Okay, we're going to let that cook a few minutes. Then I'll start adding the beans and the balance of the ingredients. Okay, I'm going to transfer the ground beef into another pan so that I can add the other ingredients without the oil. Okay, so now that I have the ground beef and onions in here, I'm going to discard this oil. Okay, now we're going to add our other ingredients. I'm adding the white beans. The baked beans. Now if you don't like the beans I'm using, you can use any kind of beans. I just like to use at least 3 different color beans so that you can get the color variation. Now the black beans. Okay, now I want to add the chili sauce. This is 12 ounces. I'm going to add half of this. So I'm going to add 6 ounces. That's about 6 ounces. I'm going to add maybe 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. And about maybe 4 tablespoons of molasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to mix that up. Okay. I'm going to cover that and bring that up to a boil, and I'll be right back. And I'll also give you a word of the day when I come back, okay? Thanks. Okay, I'm going to add some red crushed peppers. These are peppers that I had in my garden. So right away the peppers opened up my throat too. Okay, I'm putting about, oh, sorry about that, peppers got me. Putting about a tablespoon of crushed red peppers. If you don't like the crushed red peppers, you don't have to add it to yours. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the setup. So here is the chili all done and the cornbread. So now I'm just going to cut a piece of the cornbread. Let me see, I want a square piece. Okay, so I have a square piece of the cornbread, right? I'm just showing you how the setup is going to be. So I'm just cutting the cornbread in half, like so. I have the other half here. I'm going to put the chili over the cornbread. Then the other piece of cornbread on top like that. More chili on the top. Then we're going to add the cheddar cheese. Now let me show you this. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Let me give you the word of the day while the chili and cornbread is in the microwave. Be very careful of the words that you say. Your words have meaning and consequences. So don't say anything that you may have thoughts that you maybe should not have said that later. Or don't say anything that you think could hurt others. Because remember, your words are yours, and they're going to come back to haunt you. So be careful of the words you choose to say, and say all the right words so that you have no regrets later. That's the word of the day. Okay, I'm going to get the chili and cornbread with the cheddar cheese on the top out the microwave. The cheese should be melted now. Let's see. It is, and that's what it's looking like. You like that? Okay, let me taste that for you. Okay guys, there we go. Look at that. The cheese melted. Let's take a taste. It tastes like a chili cornbread sandwich. Wow. It's really good. I never thought to do that before. Okay, so you try yours. Let me know how you like it, okay? And please give it a thumbs up, and share the video, and subscribe. It costs you nothing to give the thumbs up if you like it, okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.